Hey guys, it's John from Oz General Store, back with another episode. It's Friday. I'm looking forward to the weekend, of course. We're working on that big machine. That's long gone. Let's have a look at our little workshop. Alright, so we had an opportunity to rent this factory off the previous tenant who had to leave in a bit of a hurry. And a consequence of that is they left a lot of stuff here. Now, the whole mezzanine level that you see, and there's a little area there where the kitchenette is, they put in themselves. Why don't we go for a bit of a wander and have a look at some of the carpentry work and some of the fab work. So I've spent probably the last 6 months just sort of clearing stuff out and throwing things out, and that was part of the deal with the landlord, that I just took it on as is. But the more you look, the more you find. So we've got this mezzanine level here, and this is underneath it. I think they were a window mob or something like that. So, but the more you look, the worse it gets. There's like a little hole just over there where the floor's meant to be upstairs. Rotted timber, chicken shit welds in the stairs. Yikes. Uprights that aren't even screwed into the purlins. Oh, well, how about a crooked purlin? There's just a sort of a mishmash of different bits of wood. Like you've got these uprights here, but then you've got over here. I can't really tell what's structural, but it's not actually like holding this up. It's sort of drilled into the side of it. So I don't know really what to make of it. But the bit that probably worries me the most is this bit over here. It's just an upright, and then you got like, doesn't even go the length. It just ends and it's just in fresh air. So if you jump up and down on that thing there, you probably fall through. Should we give it a go? Let's get some light in this place, hey? I don't know what this thing is. It looks like a chin-up bar. Oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's enough for me. All right, let's have a look over here. Then you've got this thing, but there's no upright. It's just drilled in with angle, and that, quite frankly, terrifies me. Let's go upstairs. A little hidey hole over here. You gotta remember, it's been 6 months and I've already demolished most of the worst offenders. But this is the upstairs office. I'm treading carefully because I don't know whether I'm gonna fall through the floor or not. But there's just, you know, things that are just not square and just cut randomly. Like, what's that piece of wood doing up there, screwed into the roof or the purlin? Here I want to be especially careful. I mean, was that a roof leak, or is that just for looks? You be the judge. All right, enough paying out on people. So what I've been doing the last couple of nights, I've had a bit of a break from the XC. That big machine put everybody under a lot of stress, and we got it out, and thank goodness it's gone now. But I've just spent a bit of time, you know, during the day or after work, just clearing up things. So there was a lot of wood over here. It was sort of like a cantilever thing, and then there was a little bench thing over there. I've gotten rid of all of that. Luckily, when I was hammering it, all of the bits, I didn't break the glass. But you've got the Honda Integra project over here. Got the 49 Chevy. We've got some more toolbox equipment. And what I want to know from you guys is, I need suggestions on how to set up a workshop. Where do I need to put things? What's the flow of items? What I'm thinking though is I'm going to move some racks into this little area here, so that when I do fabrication work, I can close the sliding door, and it's going to avoid getting everything just covered in dust and swarf and all that jazz. Unfortunately, sometimes you have to do some sketchy shit, like, you know, climbing up on that toilet block and you don't really know whether it's been built properly or whatever. So that was completely full. I've thrown all that stuff down and I've thrown most of it out. There's all the wood. It's probably worth a bit because the material has gone up so much at the moment. That was all the wood from the cantilever and the little bench that was over there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to throw out most of this stuff. I'm going to move all the cars further down, and that's going to become the workshop, and we're going to sort of just keep everything in there. So the future plans for this area, it's probably going to become heavy fab. We've got a few new ideas sort of thing. But if you guys have any ideas as to products that you want to see being manufactured, perhaps maybe leave a comment below. Let's keep going. You guys know that I'm a little bit lazy at times. You know, I sort of take shortcuts. Well, another thing you guys may or may not know is that apparently I love just moving shit around and around and around, which means that I think that it's going to be the final resting place for all of my junk that I've accumulated in the last 10 years. But lo and behold, I then lose this space because, you know, manufacturing is sometimes takes up more space than you think. And so I tend to move things around a lot. So please, please, please give me some inspiration to setting up a workshop once and for all. Any ideas and tips and tricks that you guys have, please share it because I need help. The XE is going well. I didn't realize it, but I think we've got 4 videos of it being put into primer. So I don't really want to bore you guys with any more of those kind of videos. So I'm doing some work in the background and getting going. At the same time, I want to finally set up this space to enable us to do exactly what we want to do. Fabrication, you know, just general mechanic work sort of thing, and have everything in a central location. And then when you need to paint something, we'll go down to the main factory and get it painted. So yes, leave a comment below as to any tips or tricks that you guys have with setting up your own workspace and the flow of things. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe as always. I can't believe that we've got over 500 subscribers now. You know, when it's time to make a video, I get really excited about it because you guys are watching. So thanks for the support, I really appreciate it. Cheers.